and pools shouldn't move. Not ever. This is gonna make them kind of just take one more second. And they'll love it when they do it. Because the time they're gonna lose, slowing down a little bit here, they gain on the wash at the very end. You're not taking any more time. Plaster, I mean, usually they have a problem with the hopper right now. The mixer is not spinning. But usually from time they start shooting to the time they're done, they're probably 3.5 hours. Acid wash, about the same for MicroGlass. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna acid wash this and take that film off, and then we'll have to neutralize it, bicarbonate, baking soda, the whole pool to stop the acid, and then we'll polish anywhere we need to make it as smooth as possible. Being that it's a rock, right, we want it smooth. So I'll polish a little bit of this area, the floor, never do the deep end because who's standing at the deep end unless there's discoloration, and we pressure wash it down and let it dry. Once it dries, we put MicroGlass on. Because it's colder this time of year, I'm gonna need probably 12 hours of cure time. So I'm gonna start the hose next morning. It'll be the most bulletproof pool they could possibly do. Because you got both my products in here, which is not a sealer. That's the biggest thing. Our product's not a sealer. We're changing look at it this way. There's a scale called Mohs hardness scale. Have you ever heard of that? Mohs was a German engineer in the 1800s. He came up with a scale to test the density of everything in the world. Wood, metal, diamond, right? Calcium hydroxide on Mohs hardness scale is a 3. So is our fingernail. That's how soft it is. When it comes into contact with MicroGlass, when it penetrates through, it changes that soluble 3 to a 75 because it makes it to glass. Once it converts, it no longer exists. It can't ever come back because it's no longer there. That's why pools last so much better. So what I mean by lasting is not just your rock, the color, the pigment, it's everything. It all lasts better. That's the idea. It's less trialing on them because they have to hard trap when they wash with the wand. They're getting that to come to the top, which is the mud. Then they wash it off, right? Now it's gonna be half the time for them. It takes me 3-4 of these trips to get them to go, holy crap. He'll see a difference on the first one, but as they start playing with material, quit using all the other stuff, they'll go, gee, this stuff really does work.